while trying to add a destination list in the Cisco Secure Access using APIs, you might come across this error which states bad request, missing property bundle type ID, status code 400. So what's the problem here and how do we fix it? Well, the problem is that you're actually missing the bundle type ID in the payload. I'm going to show you how to fix this right away. All right, so this is the error that we're seeing, missing property bundle type ID, bad request, 400, right? Now, a little bit about the script. This is the resource we're dealing with. We're dealing with destination lists right now. This is the bearer token. This is the payload, and this is where we need to make this change. It's in the payload section. Then we have the headers. Then we have requests dot request, and we're using post in this case. So we're trying to create a destination list, right? That's pretty much it. It's simple and straightforward. Now let me go ahead and try to add the bundle type ID. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it somewhere here. So I'm going to say bundle type ID. And for destination lists, when you want to create a destination list, you set the bundle type ID to 2. So you say 2, and then you say comma. That's it. So we put it in the payload, and now we should be able to execute this program. So I'm going to change this. I was just testing some comments here, so I'm going to say TNV fix bundle. That's it. Now, nothing fancy there, right? So just save it, say Control Shift and then B, and then say, okay, I'm going to go with Python. And this time it's not going to throw this error. As you see, we're able to successfully run this command, and it says created at this time. The ID is global blah blah blah. So all this information and the name here. If we now go ahead and take a look in the dashboard, we'll find that this destination list has been created, TNV fix bundle. So let's quickly go ahead and take a look. So here we are in the Secure Access dashboard. We go to Resources and then Internet and SaaS Resources, and then we select Destination Lists, right? So here we are. Now, if I do a Control F and try to look for TNV and then fix, I don't see anything, right? Now, if I go ahead and refresh this page, because I just now created it, so if I refresh the page and then search for this destination list again, I would be able to. So I'm going to do a Control F now, do a Control F again, and do a TNV, the network Viking, and then fix. There you go. It's right here, right? So, okay, so that's how you fix the problem. In case you're still facing this issue, go ahead and let me know in the comments section. I'll be very happy to help. So the next video possibly that I'm going to make is a bulk patch for destination lists to add comments to all the destination lists that are there in your organization. So yes, stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do it right away. Thank you so much. And please do connect with me on LinkedIn as well. So yeah, thank you so much. You have a great time ahead. Goodbye.